In this video, I will show you how you can earn $10 every hour from a particular website. This demonstration method works and it is something anyone can replicate to make money online. The best part about this website is that it does not require any special skills or any capital. If you have a smartphone, you are good to go. Whether you are a student, a stay-at-home mom, or someone without a desktop or a computer, you can still benefit from this. You only need to spend about 2 hours a day, making it perfect for everyone who is busy or has a day job. Before diving into the details, if you're new here, subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications bell, and like this video. The website I'm referring to is sproutsgigs.com, previously known as a microtask website. It has evolved into a platform where people can post various gigs and earn more money. You can see from the workaround section that individuals from all over the world, including countries like Egypt, Brazil, and Nigeria, are making significant money on this platform. And don't be discouraged if you are from other countries in the world, you can still make money from this website. To get started, visit sproutsgigs.com using the link in the description below. The sign-up process is straightforward. Fill in your name, email address, password, and select your country. After verifying your email, you are ready to start. The platform does not ask for additional details based on your nationality, making it accessible for everyone. Once signed in, you'll be directed to the Browse Gigs section where you can see various jobs available. To make money, you initially need to complete microtasks. Although this task can earn you $10 per hour, if you complete several within that time, there is more profitable approach, which is posting gigs. However, to post gigs, you need to become an advanced user. Becoming an advanced user requires you to complete microtasks and engage with the platform consistently. This involves tasks like surveys and offers, which help you earn points. Once you accumulate enough points, you will unlock the ability to post gigs. Posting gigs is where the significant earnings begin. One popular gig is writing professional ebooks. For example, you can offer to write a 20,000-word ebook for $10. Using AI tools like ChatGPT, you can efficiently create these ebooks, and here is the step-by-step guide. Number 1, define the project. You should specify the ebook's topics such as healthy eating and outline the chapters, including subjects like diabetic foods, keto foods, and foods for obesity. Number 2, generate content with AI. Use ChatGPT to create detailed content for each chapter. For instance, ask ChatGPT to write an introduction about the importance of healthy eating habits. This tool can generate comprehensive text quickly. Number 3, edit and refine. Once ChatGPT provides the content, refine it to meet the client's requirements. This might involve editing for clarity and coherence. Number 4, check for plagiarism. Use tools like QuiltBolt or SpinBolt to paraphrase and ensure originality. Then use a plagiarism checker to confirm the content is unique. Number 5, compile the ebook. Gather the content into a document, format it properly, and ensure it meets the client's specifications. By using this method, you can write an ebook in a short amount of time, often less than an hour. If you can manage to get multiple orders in a day, your money can quickly add up, far exceeding the initial $10 per hour. In addition to writing ebooks, explore other high-demand gigs on Sprout Gigs to maximize your money. The key is to identify popular services and leverage AI tools to deliver quality work efficiently. My YouTube channel offers more strategies and methods to make money online in Africa and worldwide. Subscribe to stay updated for new videos and make sure to hit the notifications bell. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment with your thoughts and like the video. This feedback helps me create better content for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.